Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can transpose data in your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets really quickly without any technical skills. So let us get started. So as you can see, I created a list or a table like that here guys. And now let's say you would like to have the columns as well as the rows in reverse. So that is actually transposing data. Let me show you how to do that. It is very simple. In the first step, left click where you'd like to place your transpose data. And so let me go with that cell here. And after that, enter the command equals, then transpose, just like that. And after that, confirm by pressing enter. And after that, simply highlight the set of data or the range of data you would like to have transposed. So let me go with that table here. So highlight it entirely. After that, close the parenthesis and give the command by pressing enter on your keyboard. And that is going to transpose your data or reverse your columns and rows, and it will look like that. Now you can of course customize your table like that. If you're, for example, I don't know, if you'd like to add colors, background colors, or change the font and so on and so forth. So basically that's how you transpose data in your documents on Google Sheets. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.